And on tonight's show, a fantastic artist, Christian Fry.